Hi there. Today we are going to some kind of anime event thing. I'm not exactly sure, but I just thought bring you along, see if we have any fun at this festival. Right now we're getting some gas, but I did bring yarn, of course. So security took away my scissors, but they said I could get them back later, but they're my purple ones.
I could wear this at Christmas.
Is it a Christmas sweater? There's furries here. Look, Grandma. The anime convention was a bit of a bust. It was all right. I got some earrings. I got this guy from Spirited Away. And we got some pins. We got a one-piece pin and a berserk pin. And that was pretty much it. We didn't stay very long, so. And now we're going home. I'm not usually an earring girly, so I'm trying it out. I'm gonna be crocheting and watching.
Oh, really?
We're gonna watch my boyfriend play the new Mario RPG game. Oh my god. The new Mario RPG game.
Nice.
I finished this top, so that's very good. This dye lot of the Sugar and Cream Psychedelic is so super bright. It's a lot brighter than the normal lots. You know what I'm saying? But really cute, very happy. I'm gonna put that in my stock. And currently I have no open orders, so I'm just gonna be making stuff. We're just gonna make things. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to make next, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to make scrunchies, and I have a lot of velvet yarn. This is just like 2 little baggies, but I have even more on my shelves in my closet and stuff. So I'm gonna make scrunchies for the rest of the night, and hopefully I can use up some of this velvet, but I'll let you know. Scrunchies are always a fantastic stocking stuffer, and you know, December's next month.
Can you do anything? Oh, crap.
It is the next day, nighttime. It's like 8:30 p.m. right now. I didn't film any the rest of last night and this morning because I felt like crap. But anyway, I was working. I spent all day just sitting here on my chair. I was watching Say Yes to the Dress, and I was working on scrunchies. So I'm going to show you the scrunchie progress. All right, so here we are. This is all that I have made since yesterday. I started making them around 7:30 p.m. but we've made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 scrunchies. They're all in stacks of 2. But I used up 2 full pink skeins. I used up all of this purpley navy color, and then I'm currently working on this blue ball, which should be done in maybe like 3 scrunchies or so. But this is all the ponytails that I have left, so I think I'm just going to use up the rest of these and call it good. But obviously happy with this. That's quite a few scrunchies, I would say. I woke up this morning to 500,000 subscribers, and thank you. This morning I took pictures of all of my scrunchies. I put them up for sale on my website, so they're ready to go. And I went to lunch to celebrate having 500,000 subscribers. Then I decided to go back to my regular duties, so I'm working on a sneak a peek top. All right, I finished this sneak peek top that we were working on earlier, and I was sitting on my couch, didn't want to get up and get some more yarn, so I used the rest of the skein to work on this River Dahlia top. It's not finished, but I ran out of yarn, so I'll finish it up tomorrow. Right now I'm about to go sit in bed and I'm going to read Percy Jackson. We're on the Titan's Curse, so I'm afraid basically. And oh, we started a new K-drama and it's juicy. We've only watched the first 5 episodes. I believe it's called Castaway Diva something. Anyway, that's all. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good morning. Hello. Can you tell I just woke up? I'm sure you can. We're gonna start the day by finishing off this top, and then we will decide what to do from there. I have briefly thought about doing a Black Friday sale, and I am realizing that that is this Friday. But I was basically like, I want to do a real Black Friday sale because there's been so much talk recently about how Black Friday just isn't like it used to be, and there's not any real deals and whatever. So I was just like, what if I just like crazy idea made everything 50% off or something similar to that? But then also, like, is that even a good enough deal for me to say that I'm doing old Black Friday? I think 50% off is great. All of my tops are like $50 basically, so they would be selling for about $25, and that is pretty much the price point that I started with whenever I was first making tops. I actually sold my first tops at $18, and then the people that I was selling to, because I mostly did sales in person, they were just giving me $20, and they were like, just keep the $2. So I was like, okay, I'll make them $20 now. And that was just like a few people at my high school, not that many. And then I was thinking about the fact that I have so much yarn. I have so much yarn. I have so much yarn. Look, I have so much yarn. So I was just saying I could put together like 2 or 3 boxes of yarn, and then I could sell them for very cheap, like $15, and it would be technically like a blind box because I don't really want to put what's in there, but you know, I'd be like a cotton blind box or acrylic blind box or whatever. I don't know if that's going to be realistic because I'm just giving myself more work. And in reality, I don't have time because today is my last full day of working. Tomorrow I'm going to my grandma's house. I'm going to help her cook and set up. Thursday is obviously Thanksgiving, so I'm going to be eating with my family and chilling. And then it's Black Friday. So I guess the most realistic thing I could do is make a sale, but I'm not sure about the yarn boxes. Today I will be mostly crocheting and probably just like watching my boyfriend play video games because he's not working today, so that's the plan. Finished, and on to the next thing, which don't know what that is at the moment. All right, so looking at my inventory, I have 7 size small tops and I have 6 medium tops. So I'm going to go make a large top. I have 2 large tops in stock currently. So I believe I'm going to make a pink peekaboo top in large. That's the plan.
Boy. Uh-oh. Is that Velma?
Today for lunch, we're having mac and cheese. Classic. You must know that I put hot dogs in my mac and cheese. It's delicious, okay? I don't care. My boyfriend says I'm crazy, and he would be wrong. I just took my dogs out and it was freezing out there, so I'm recovering. I had to buy a different brand of hot dog, and there's like a bunch of liquid in the package, which is interesting. There's chicken in these hot dogs? Okay. So for a full box of macaroni, I usually like to do about 3 hot dogs. All right. The rest of our dogs are gonna go away for later mac and cheese adventures. Okay, so the water is starting to boil. I gotta put in my mac. Cool. I don't read the instructions on the box or measure anything. I just go with the flow. Currently, I'm chopping up my hot dogs into little hot dog slices because that is the only correct way. I mean, unless you're making like octopuses or something, but... And then I gotta blow on the mac and cheese every 5 seconds and stir it so it doesn't overflow. The heat is probably just too high, but I don't care. Can I cut up my hot dogs in piece? Mac and cheese? I usually get like the cheapest brand of hot dogs, right? Because I am a picky little baby when it comes to food. And these seem like better quality hot dogs, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're better for me. Here we go, here we go. I'm gonna put in the hot dogs while the pasta is boiling. Of course, I'll keep the plate and use it for the mac and cheese. Don't you worry. Yeah, I'm making some mac and cheese. Okay. There'll be milk. That's good, probably. And I have a stick of butter, so I'll just take some of that butter. That's good. And then we got our cheese. Put in the cheese. And I will just stir it up. I always put my butter on my fork and I stir it until the butter is all melted and stuff. Now, I know I can only eat half of this just because I make this quite a bit. So half of it goes onto a plate. And the other half goes right into a Tupperware bowl, and I'll eat it like tomorrow or whatever. Unfortunately, the different brand of hot dogs was a big bummer for me, but I'll live. All right, so this done. Good job. With the remaining yarn in the skein, I started another top, but this one is extra small. Now it is later. It's 5:20 already. I'm gonna take a break, watch some K-drama, probably doom scroll on TikTok for a little bit, and have some ice cream or something. All right, so this top is finished, and this is where we're gonna end the day as well as the vlog. I hope all of you have a good and happy holiday. If you aren't doing anything special, I hope that you eat some good food. So that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for 500K. I appreciate you and I love you all. And that's all. Goodbye.